Hunter, how you doing?
Was that you?
Yes, I am the magical dog.
I know you're a dog. How the magical dog?
I grant wishes.
Okay.
So think of a wish.
Let's think. What wish? Got it.
Well, now whisper it in my ear.
Is that all I have to do?
Yes, but first, you must take me on a various adventure.
Dun, 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 dun. Do 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 do. Is that good enough?
Yes, now go in the bathroom and try crapping out your wish.
Oh, well, if I get my wish, I guess so.
Okay.
All right, you stay right here.
Okay. Just wait for him to get out.
Oh, wow! Neat! I got my wish! An oats and honey bar and an apple! Just like I wanted! I can crap any wish I want! I can crap apples and oats and honey bars! Yeah! Woo! I gotta call my friend.
Okay, you do that.
Yeah, Tanner? Guess what? I can crap apples and oats and honey bars. Well, what? You didn't hear me? What do you think I can do? Close, but not quite. I can crap oats and honey bars and apples! Wow! Yeah. Well, this is the end of my movie. It's called The Magical Dog. I hope you enjoyed it. And thank you. And maybe I can craft one of these out for you.
See ya.
That's all.